Hey, I'm Kay. Today, let's make curry fried rice. We need 200 grams of cooked white rice in cold or room temperature, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1.5 tablespoon of Japanese or Korean curry powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 stalk or 15 grams of chopped green onion, up to 100 grams of sausage, 20 grams of carrot, 20 grams of potato, 40 to 50 grams of onion. Turn the stove to medium heat. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir fry green onions for 30 seconds. Add the sausage. Stir fry for 30 more seconds. Add all the veggies. Stir fry them until the onions start to become transparent. Place the veggies around the edges of the pan. Please melt the 1 tablespoon butter in the middle. Place the rice. Make sure to break the chunk of rice apart and stir fry them all together for 1 minute. Add Korean curry powder and the salt. Stir fry them to meet your preference. Your curry fried rice is ready to serve. Enjoy your curry fried rice.